What's up, everyone? So today I'm gonna be doing the wedgie in my booty challenge. It's like a good challenge, like whatever, but I've never did it before, so I'm kind of learning. And I've been watching videos how to do it. My brother, he taught me like several times, but I've never got the hang of it. So I watched videos and I learned how to do it. So I'm gonna put you guys on the screen right here. Okay. Alright, so I think it goes like jiggle, jiggle, pop with my hips, let her rock, I go swing with my weaving tight. Yeah, hit her with that dynamite. Yeah, wedgie in my booty feeling tight. Jiggle, jiggle, pop with my hips, let her rock, I go swing with my weaving tight. Yeah. Hit her with that boot dynamite. Yeah, wedgie in my booty feeling tight. Jiggle, jiggle, pop. It's barely been 1 minute now, so I have to do something else. I don't know what to do, so I'm so exhausted right now. But I'm do it one more time. Okay. Jiggle, jiggle, pop, let my hips, let her rock, I swing with my weaving tight. Yeah, hit her with that boot dynamite. Yeah, wedgie in my booty feeling tight. Jiggle, jiggle, pop, hips, let her rock, I swing with my weaving tight. Yeah, hit her with that boot dynamite. Yeah, wedgie in my booty feeling tight. Jiggle, jiggle, pop. With my hips, let her rock, I swing by my weaving tight. Yeah, hit her with that dynamite. Yeah, wedgie in my booty feeling tight. Jiggle, jiggle. Woo. 2 minutes already. Anything else? But I don't know. This is starting a new channel with a new phone, but not sure. But I want to do Stiller, man. I want to do Juju on the beat. So I'm gonna do Juju on that beat right now. I don't know the whole song to Stiller, man. So I did the Juju on that beat once, but it's on my brother page. Okay, walked in the spot. This girl looking at me, skinny jeans on. Yeah, you know my head nippy. Yeah. Okay. I want you to do this dance. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Now slide. Hit the fuck, don't stop. I did make slime. Exactly. So I'm gonna take you guys to where my slime is. It's gonna get dark. Okay. I made slime right here. So this is the slime. This is the slime I made. Oh, shoot. Mine's is like cringy. It's the so mine's, I used it a whole bunch of salt and I. So ruthless. Mine's kind of look like snow. And I kind of feel like snow, except for it's cold. Snow is very cold, and it smells very good because I used a whole bunch. I used this dish soap too, and I also used some what is it called again? I used some bath soap, and I used this gel too. I wanted to use borax, but I couldn't use my glue because that's my school glue. And school glue go out very, very fast. So, that's a fascinating story. Let me show you guys how to make slime. Not the gooey stuff kind of slime that you like pick up and like do your 3 fingers on. And okay, so I'm back and I got this cup. It's the Princess Chicago cup. It's like what is it called again? A drinking cup. I don't use it to drink. I use it to make my slime in. Even though this is my first time. Alright, so I used it, some Clorox, and this is bleach gel. And then I'll pour a little bit in there. A little bit, like a little bit. But my dumb self don't know what to steer with. I'm the dumb one. Okay, I'm using this thing. I don't know what it is. This thing with this thing. Or should I use the big part? This part. I'm not sure I could. Then I'm gonna use some 3-in-1. There's some body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, which is good. And the scent is strawberry banana. So the strawberry banana scent. Then I'm just pouring a little bit in there. And it seems like my slime is gonna be very goopy kinda. I can stir with this. So I'm gonna take some needles to stir with. Hopefully I don't cut myself playing out dumb stuff. So like 3 to 4 needles. So I'm sure that they're home staring at it. So you probably can't hear, but this is the song in Bel Air with Will Smith. Hello, smell you later, eh? So I'm mixing some of my other slime in. Well, it's not slime, it's kind of like a project for school. But putting it inside this because I have nothing else to do. I'm kind of bored. Come on, smell you later. Just gonna stare with the back of this comb. I should have did that earlier. So this is how it's stirring up very smoothly. So I'm gonna link what I used in the bottom. Let me put some more of it. Oh, my shirt. So rude. So if you just put it inside the freezer for a little bit, it'll probably work, but right here. So, guys, so this is how I look. Slithery animal. So, leave it inside the freezer. Well, not the freezer. Well, the I don't know what it's called. So y'all will see my next video later. So let's give this some subscribes, some views, and love you guys very much. This is my new channel, and I can't wait to see how my times are gonna go. Love you.